guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about life jackets, how to inflate them and the 3 different types. First things first, I'm going to show you with my glamorous assistant how to inflate a life jacket manually. Life jackets are designed to turn an unconscious person in the water face up, whereas a buoyancy aid will not turn you face up and will just aid you in swimming. An easy way to remember this is a life jacket will save your life and a buoyancy aid will aid you. The clue is in the name. If you do get knocked unconscious, a life jacket will flip you over from being face down in the water to face up. This also helps keep your airways open as well. There are 3 different inflation types of life jacket: manual, automatic water activated and automatic pressure activated. A manual life jacket has a pull cord which fires a pin into the CO2 canister. This usually takes about 5 seconds. An advantage of this is that it prevents false activation from waves and damp conditions. A disadvantage of this is if the person is unconscious or suffering from cold water shock, it does not go off. An automatic water activated life jacket has a tablet in it, so when it gets wet it dissolves and fires a pin into the CO2 canister. This usually takes about 5 seconds upon entering the water. They always have a backup pull cord in case the tablet does not dissolve and the firing mechanism does not work. An automatic pressure activated life jacket, otherwise known as a hammer life jacket, works in the same way as a water activated life jacket. But the mechanism is encased, so will only work when it is submerged in a few centimetres of water. So if you get regularly soaked by waves and spray, they will not go off because they need to be fully submerged to activate themselves. The CO2 canister in a pressure activated life jacket is less likely to corrode as they are mounted on the inside of the inflation chamber. This is a water activated life jacket. Down here we have our tablet that will dissolve when it gets wet. This is our CO2 canister, and down this side we have our pull cord. On this side of the life jacket we have a whistle for attracting attention, and we also have a top-up tube. We also have these reflective tapes that will reflect if somebody shines a bright light on you. Some life jackets do come with a water activated light, and sometimes you have to buy them separately. They sit around this area and they will flash when the water hits the little sensor. When you manually inflate a life jacket, you pull on this toggle here. This then fires the pin into the CO2 canister, which will be attached here. A couple of things to check on our life jacket: make sure our CO2 canister is not corroded, make sure this is all nice and clean and it hasn't been activated. This one has for the purposes of this video. We need to also make sure that this is screwed in nice and tight into this mechanism. We need to also check that our tablet is still intact in here. We also need to make sure that there's a little clip on here, it's green, to say that we are good to go. Another important thing when you're maintaining your life jacket is to blow it up every month or so using the mouthpiece, and just make sure that this stays inflated. Keep it inflated for 24 hours, and if it goes down then it means you've got a hole or it's damaged somewhere. Now we're at the end of our video. We've gone through the 3 different types of life jackets, our features of our life jacket and how to keep them maintained. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful content for being on the water. Bye!